Understanding Having Reservations, a guide to expressing doubt in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but often misunderstood phrase in English: having reservations. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal conversations, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear up any doubts. Having reservations is a phrase that means having doubts, concerns, or hesitation about something. It's not about booking a table at a restaurant or securing a spot in a hotel. Instead, it's a metaphorical way of expressing that you're not entirely convinced or sure about a decision, idea, or plan. This phrase is useful because it allows you to convey your uncertainty in a polite and indirect way, making your communication more nuanced and respectful. Using having reservations in a sentence is straightforward. It often appears with the verb to be, as in, I am having reservations about, or we are having reservations regarding. You can use it to introduce your doubts or to gently disagree with a proposal without being too direct or confrontational. Here are a few examples. I'm having reservations about moving to a new city without a job offer. Our team is having reservations about adopting the new software without further testing. She had reservations about accepting the position without knowing more about the company culture. These sentences show that the speaker is uncertain and would like more information or time to consider. Having reservations is particularly useful in formal or professional contexts, where direct disagreement might seem too strong or inappropriate. It's also valuable in personal conversations when you want to express your doubts without offending the other person or closing the door to further discussion. It's important to use this phrase when you genuinely have doubts and need more information or reassurance. Overusing it without real cause can make you seem indecisive or untrustworthy. Understanding and using the phrase, having reservations, can greatly improve your ability to navigate complex conversations in English. It allows you to express doubt or concern in a polite and measured way, which is a valuable skill in both personal and professional settings. We hope this video has clarified how and when to use this phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips to enhance your English learning journey. See you in the next video.